guys, here at Dumb Parts we have the T3000.
Hi everyone, Kira here, and this is the Westinghouse iGen 1200.
Probably the most rewarding and interesting thing for me was getting to know the different areas in work, because some things that I thought I'd be really interested in, when I did the experience program, I realised it wasn't quite for me, and other things that I thought I wouldn't be interested in were actually quite interesting, and yeah, I enjoyed it a lot. One of the most valuable lessons I learnt from it is to be more open-minded about everything, and you got to get in and try stuff and learn stuff to know exactly what you want, because without doing the program I wouldn't have known about lots of different things, and yeah, now I have a much better understanding about what I want to do when I leave school or what I don't want to do, and yeah, it actually had a big influence on me through the sort of path I wanted to take when I finished school. So I was actually kind of thinking marketing would be something I'd really want to do, and I was looking into doing that when I finished school. But doing the experience program, when I did marketing, I was like, oh, it's not too bad, but yeah. And something like admin and finances, I thought I wouldn't really be interested in that, but doing the experience program made me look into it more and go, oh, it actually was really good and I enjoyed it a lot. So yeah, I would definitely recommend the program. It was great for me, learning all different areas, and now I have a much better understanding about how business works, and yeah, now I have a much better understanding of the career I want to take when I finish school.
While I was at school, I was still working here at Dom, but yeah, after graduating, it just kind of flowed on. Working at Dom kind of just went into full time. What sparked my interest in mechanic would be probably just working alongside Dad in the workshop and stuff, and fiddling around with my own toys, utes and bikes and stuff like that, and yeah, just like getting dirty and having fun, and yeah, hands-on work's always good fun, so yeah. With my interest of work in that, I had no idea what I wanted to do all the way through school, and was just working here at Dom the whole time as part-time. My dad did agronomy, was interested in that, and yeah, was always had the idea of doing that, but I don't know, just the more hands-on stuff got to do here and the more responsibilities you got over the years, it just became more and more enjoyable, and yeah, no, after a bit you start to love it, just on the tools and stuff, so yeah. So straight after school there wasn't any training or anything, it was pretty much learn on the spot, give a spanner, given a job, and work it out yourself. So there was definitely a couple other fellas in the workshop that always helped along, and you'd learn off them, but yeah, a lot of it was just have a crack and see how far you can get with it, so yeah. Yeah, 100% in the future I'd love to look towards something, a bit more training and get something on paper. At this stage what I'm learning is awesome and good fun, but yeah, one day down the track would be 100% look at an apprenticeship or some sort of training, so just so I can get something behind my name and that, and yeah. Yeah, lots of skills I've learned while I've been here is, major one would just be just the standard of work you do, just making sure everything's Mickey Mouse, double checking everything, because there's that many things you can miss, and one little issue you miss can end up down the track to be a major breakdown or something like that. So just taking your time to know that you did the job properly, and when you finish, just double look over everything. Just yeah, don't rush, work hard and get the job done to a high standard would probably be number one. And yeah, also lots of organisational skills. Just you think you've got it tough in school with organising your 3 assignments, but you get in the work and then you're plonked with 100 other things, and then you really get to learn what it's like in the real world. So yeah, lots of organisation skills, and yeah, just working with the team better, and yeah, stuff like that.
We're good with sound. Testing. Hey guys, we're happy.
Oh, hang on.
Alright. Are we good to... Hey guys, we're here with dump... Steady work. Lights come down to dump parts, and then... If you want to buy these awesome lights at... I keep forgetting my lines.
Okay.
If you want to buy these lights... curse word.